Welcome to Michelle's Cucina, and for this video, I will be sharing with you how I make a small dish that can stimulate one's appetite. Presenting to you my pickled cucumber. Now let's peel our cucumbers. And let me ask you, is a cucumber a fruit or a vegetable? And of course, I will answer my own question. Cucumbers are fruit. Cucumbers are classified as fruit because they contain tiny seeds in the middle and grow from the flower of the cucumber plant. And yes, you're welcome. Let's remove the seeds of the cucumbers. Cucumber seed oil is an excellent anti-ager. This versatile oil diminishes signs of aging while promoting cell regeneration. Naku, wag niyo itapon yan mga besh. Diyan nakasalalay ang ating kagandahan. Cut your cucumbers into about 1.5 inches long. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in many important vitamins and minerals. It contains antioxidants, it promotes hydration, and it may also aid in weight loss. And it may lower blood sugar. And the bottom line is, cucumbers are refreshing, nutritious, and incredibly versatile addition to any diet. And now let's go back to what I am doing. Arrange your cucumber slices in a glass jar since we will be adding vinegar later on. I properly arrange them to fit in this jar and also insert in between cucumbers your bell peppers. Now I'd like to add 1 red chili that I sliced in half for a kick of little spiciness. Set aside your bottled cucumbers, and it's time for us to do our pickle solution. Let's mix the sugar with vinegar. Just add a little MSG. You can skip the MSG if you want. And salt. Let's crack some black pepper to complete our pickle solution. For a healthier version, feel free to use apple cider vinegar and honey in replacement of your white sugar. Just mix it well until the sugar and the salt are properly dissolved. Let's pour our pickle solution to our cucumbers. Then, close the lid and store it in the refrigerator to pickle. After 2 days of pickling, this is how it looks. The cucumbers have shrunk and released its natural juices, and it has already absorbed the sweet and sour taste of the solution. Your pickled cucumbers will last in your refrigerator for up to 1 month. To my fellow Cebuanos, I know you are familiar of this since this is also one of Dimsum Break's menu. That is why I uploaded this to complete our A la Dimsum Break series here at Michelle's Cucina. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. And thank you so much to all my avid viewers, and see you next time.